Hey guys, it's me again. Okay, so I just kind of reviewed with you how to tell time on a clock, and I wanted to make sure that I reviewed with you how to correctly write the time. So if you were going to write 4 o'clock, you would write your hour first, which is 4. You always have a colon. A colon is just 2 dots. That's called a colon. And o'clock is always going to be 00 because the minutes are starting all over again for an hour. So 4 o'clock. If I wanted to write 4:15, I would still keep my hour the same, 4, colon, and I would write my minutes. So my minutes are 15. So it would be 4:15. This goes for everything that you want to write time. So if you wanted to write, let's say 7:45, you would write your hour first. So 7, colon, 45. 7:45. Just remember, you're always going to want to write your hour first and use a colon and then write your minutes. The only one that can get a little bit tricky is if you are writing down something like 2:05. So it would still have the correct hour, 2, colon, and then 5 minutes after 2. It would look like this. It's the only one where you're going to have a 0 in front of the minutes. So that would be 2:05. And we'll talk about that a little bit more next week when we start doing more things to the 5 minutes. But I just wanted to kind of review with you. So let's just look at one more thing. So I'm going to write down a couple times here. So if we can write down 3 o'clock, we can write down 3:15. Sorry about that. My email is just going off. We could write down 3:30. We could write down 3:45. And we could write down 4 o'clock again. So remember, the biggest thing to remember is you start with your hour. Make sure you have a colon in between the hour and the minutes, and then write down your minutes. And I know that we did this before we went on to spring break, but I just want to do a quick review with you. If you guys have questions about telling time, send me a Class Dojo and I will help you, okay? I know this looks a lot different, guys, and we're going to just try to get through this. So good luck on telling time, and if you need help, please call me or text me rather on Dojo. Okay, talk to you soon.